Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Talent Olympiad. Today we will go through the round 1 question papers of ITO's International Maths Olympiad for class 6. The question paper consists of 50 questions in which 35 questions are of subjective, 10 questions are of logical reasoning and 5 questions are of high order thinking. This 50 question exam holds 50 marks. So let us begin. You can write the answers one by one on a blank piece of paper and then compare them with the answer key at the end of the question paper. Question 1. The fractions 7 by 11, 16 by 20, 21 by 22 when arranged in descending order is Question 2. A man buys a cycle for Rs 1400 and sells it at a loss at 15%. What is the selling price of the cycle? Question 3. A is 2 years older than B, who is the twice as old as C. If the total of the ages of A, B and C be 27, how old is B? Question 4. The least number which when divided by 5, 6, 7 and 8 leaves a remainder 3 but when divided by 9 leaves no remainder is Question 5. A sum fetched a total simple interest of Rs 4016.25 at the rate of 9 PCPA in 5 years. What is the sum? Question 6. How much time will it take for an amount of Rs 450 to yield Rs 81 as interest at 4.5 per annum of simple interest? Question 7. 106 into 106 minus 94 into 94 equals to what? Question 8. Which of the following is equal to 3.14 into 10 sixth? Question 9. 5 into 1.6 minus 2 into 1.4 divided by 1.3 equals to what? Question 10. 10 years ago, P was half of Q's age. If the ratio of their present ages is 3:4, what will be the total of their present ages? Question 11. A pupil's marks were wrongly entered as 83 instead of 63. Due to that, the average marks of the class got increased by half. The number of pupils in this class is Question 12. If the average marks of 3 batches of 55, 60 and 45 students respectively is 50, 55, 60, then the average marks of all the students is Question 13. What will be the ratio of simple interest earned by certain amount at the same rate of interest for 6 years and that for 9 years? Question 14. 8988 divided by 8 divided by 4 is equal to what? Question 15. The unit digit in the product 784 into 618 into 917 into 463 is Question 16. 35 plus 15 into 1.5 is equal to what? Question 17. The difference between the place values of two sevens in the numeral 69758472 is Question 18. On dividing a number by 68, we get 269 as quotient and 0 as remainder. On dividing the same number by 67, what will be the remainder? Question 19. The sum of the digit of the two-digit number is 15 and the difference between the digit is 3. What is the two-digit number? Question 20. Which one of the following can't be the square of natural number? Question 21. A boy was asked to find the value of 7 by 12 of a sum of money. Instead of multiplying the sum by 7 by 12, he divided 8 by 7 by 12 and thus his answer exceeded the correct value by Rs 95. Find the correct value. Question 22. What least value should be replaced by star in 223 star 431 so the number becomes divisible by 9? Question 23. Simplify the below problem. Question 24. Simplify the below problem. Question 25. How many pieces of 0.85 meters can be cut from a rod 42.5 meters long? Question 26. Evaluate the problem. Question 27. Evaluate the problem. Question 28. The average of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 24. Find the largest number. Question 12. If the average marks of 3 batches of 55, 60 and 45 students respectively is 50, 55, 60, then the average marks of all the students is? Question 30. If addition means multiplication, multiplication means addition, subtraction means division and division means subtraction, then 16 into 2 divided by 4 plus 7 minus 8 is equal to what? Question 31. Pointing to a man, Snehalata says, "He is the only son of my father's father." How is Snehalata related to the man? Question 32. If the following numbers are rewritten by interchanging the digits in tens place and hundreds place and then arranging them in the descending order, what will be the second digit of the newly formed fifth number from your right? Question 34. What should come in the place of question mark in the following series? Question 35. The following question, you are given a combination of alphabets and or numbers followed by 4 alternatives 1, 2, 3 and 4. Choose the alternative which closely resembles the mirror image of the given combination. Question 36. Which number completes the puzzle? Question 37. Which number replaces the question mark? Question 38. Which number replaces the question mark? Question 39. Reduce 368 by 575 to the lowest term. Question 40. Arrange fractions in descending order. Question 41. Evaluate the problem. Question 42. 4 plus 4 into 18 minus 6 minus 8. divided by 123 into 6 minus 146 into 5 is equal to what? Question 43. A man wants to reach a window which is 40 feet above the ground. The distance from the foot of the ladder to the wall is 9 feet. How long should the ladder be? Question 44. Sahil took a loan for 6 years at the rate of 5% per annum on simple interest. If the total interest paid was Rs 1230, the principal was. Question 45. The difference between the smallest 5-digit number and the largest 4-digit number is. Question 46. What is the sum of first 5 multiples of 12? Question 47. If the digit of 6 and 9 in the number 36490 are interchanged, what is the difference between new number and original number? Question 48. Gopal sold 10 mangoes at the cost price of 12 mangoes. What is his profit or loss percentage? Question 49. Pointing to a girl in photograph, Amar said, "Her mother's brother is the only son of my mother's father." How the girl's mother related to Amar? Question 50. Choose the word which is least like the other words.
Now we have completed the question paper. You can cross-check your answers in the answer key section in the next slide. Now you can opt for a wide range of study materials from Indian Talent Olympiad offered for international Olympiads. We provide workbooks, previous year question paper sets, monthly Olympiad practice test series, and power packs. To purchase this study material, visit Indian Talent Olympiad's official website. We have provided the link in the description box below.